Hello friends, today we are going to learn a short tutorial about Lightroom. Lightroom is also a vast software like Photoshop. Today we'll see a photo from start to finish, how to edit in Lightroom. So let's jump into the world of Lightroom. I have imported the photo in Lightroom. If you don't know how to import it, just click on the library, select import, then select where your photo is. I have my photo in desktop, so I will click here in the desktop, then new folder. In this new folder I want to edit this photo. This one I have edited already, but I want to edit this photo now. So I have to import this photo in Lightroom. So just check on the photo you want to import and import it. This has been imported in Lightroom. Now select this photo by clicking over it or by clicking on it, and then just click on develop. Such type of interface will appear on your computer. In Lightroom, it's like camera raw in Photoshop. All the tools, all the features are same here. So at first I want to start here. So in Lightroom, when I edit any photo, I just start with lens correction. I have clicked this photo yesterday. There was a little rain in the late night, and raindrops were on this flower, and I have clicked it in my kit lens. So at first I will start with lens correction. Here I have to check this because this will remove chromatic aberration, and enable profile correction should be checked. Then I will go to effects. In effects panel there is post crop vignetting. This means how this vignetting will appear after you crop this photo. Then you can choose a point where you satisfy. I think -48 is perfect. Then I will not touch other features here. Maybe a little bit dehaze. Yep, that's it. Then I will straight go to the basic panels. In basic panel we will reduce the highlights as the details on the highlight portion will appear by this way. And shadows, we must increase this. No, for this image I want to reduce the shadow, as I want not to show any of the background. I just want to show the flower and the droplets. White points maybe plus 43, black points a bit low. I will not touch this, maybe some vibrance. I think 15 will be a great value. Then after split toning, I will go to the local adjustment. Look here, in this portion of the image is blurry and dark. That means your focus will be towards this point, not on this point, towards this point, on the dewdrops and the petals. So let's increase some dark amount here or some bloodiness here. Just reduce the, I have selected the radial gradient tool. Just reduce the exposure a bit. Sorry, I have selected the graduated filter tool here, and let's decrease the exposure value a little bit, not too much, a little bit. Higher the contrast. And how to increase the bloodiness? Just decrease the clarity, and also you can decrease the sharpness. Okay, then that's it for the graduated filter. Now we have to select the radial filter tool. And how the radial filter works? Just double click over the photo and drag it. Click on the point and drag over here. Now if you place the mouse pointer over it, it will show which portion is selected. It will show which portion is selected. That means here we have selected all the other areas except the petals. So we want to work on the petals, not on the background or other areas. So what should we do? We'll just click on invert. Now let's place the mouse pointer over the point. Well, that's it. Only the petals are selected. Then go to this panel, maybe increase some contrast, increase some clarity over here, not too much. I think 12 is perfect. A bit dehaze and a bit saturation. Also increase some sharpness to sharpen this petals portion. You want to increase this area a bit, not too much. This. Sure. Well, want to increase some white, decrease some blacks, not too much. I think -5 will work for it. A bit warmer look will work here, as the flower I have created is bit yellow and orange color. Just a teeny bit. Well, that's it for the radial filter. Click on it to deselect the photo. That's it. Now just look at the before and after and how to do this. Click this Y by Y panel. This was the before, this was the after. Just a teeny bit touch on Lightroom and it's fine. Well, if this video helped you to learn something, please subscribe my channel.